Nice little Jeep day. Jacob's over there working on there. I'm fixing to put a new steering wheel cover on for the lady. And let's see what we got. Gonna have some shampoo and do some extraction in the seats. Super clean 4-to-1 right there to get that black moldy mildew stuff off the paint. That's pretty good. Alright, so we're going to talk to Jacob here a little bit. As you can see in the thumbnail, Jacob took a dive the other day. Yeah. Luckily we got it on video, so let's watch the video and then we'll talk about it. He's fine, he's fine. Standing there. Watch right there. His feet never move. He took 2 steps. Yeah.
They were 1 step. I think where he's feeling his jaw.
Yeah. You hollered at me.
I'd say his neck was hurt too. All I saw was blood. I didn't know where he was bleeding from or what. I thought he knocked his teeth out. I didn't know what was going on.
Alright, Jake, so apparently you got out of the car, stretched a little bit. That was the day we did 6 cars. Pretty hot day. How you feeling now? Tell everybody what's wrong with you right now.
I got a fractured jaw, and I bit my tongue straight through.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's a good one. And then how many stitches?
6 on my chin.
6 stitches in his chin, and of course he busted his knuckles up too when he fell. But importance here, guys. Things happen in a split second. Jacob's a fine, healthy young man. Played football, high school. Healthy guy, strong, athletic. Not sure if it was a sugar issue with his blood or if he just got hot and didn't drink enough water, eat enough food, whatever. Anything can happen, guys, so take care of yourselves, watch your buddies. Luckily we were at the house we had somebody drop a car off at the house to do a detail, and luckily we were right there. We took care of, get him in the bathroom, get him all washed up, and had somebody come get him, take him to the emergency room. So Jake, glad to have you back. Today's first day back, and we're kicking still. Woo-woo! So we're doing this older Jeep, and Looks like somebody tried to do some repair work to it. I guess the plastic was faded, and it looks like they tried to spray paint. You can see right there. Right there. Looks like somebody tried to spray paint it. Didn't do a very good job. And she's wanting to know if we can fix that. And we're not a body shop. We don't. We try to help people out what we can, but we don't do body repair work. But it looks like they tried to paint the whole bumper, and then just looked awful. And I think it was just faded. You know how your plastics turn kind of a gray looking when they fade real bad? And somebody took a can of spray paint and tried to fix it. So yeah, that's nothing we can do with that. But we'll do what we can. We'll make her look pretty good. Jacob's blacking the tires. We got her cleaned up good. It's looking good.
Got to where he can stand up.
She didn't want the back touch, so we stayed out of there. Got all the stains up. Looking good. Doors clean. Dash. All that's looking good. Looking like a brand new one. Yeah, they've messed that bumper up. Aaron, get super clean in a rag or some algae on this mirror. It's on the back side of the plastic. Looking good. For an older Jeep.
That ain't coming off.
Alright. Mr. Jerry. See you on the next one.